Hi everybody, Pro Trader Mike. I'm going to do some research and some stocks for the Mojo Show. Review some of the trades today and do some journaling. And I figured since I was doing that, I was going to be on the computer, I'd get online to YouTube and some of the other streams and see if some people had any questions that I could answer while I'm online doing some research about stocks. Get that going. So I'll be here. If anybody has any questions, surely let me know. I'll be live on the chat and I'll be working. Type that in there. Any stocks you want me to look at? Got the Mojo room happening up here too. Double chat room going, and I'll use this chart right here. Do my looks. GTXI was phenomenal today. Phenomenal stock. Picked it long in the Mojo room. Amazing. Want to see something amazing too? Check this out. Let me show you. You guys know what shorting is, right? This. Watch this trade play I did on GTXI here today, guys. Watch this. So this is how you read the level 2. Right here. It's called a montage. And you understand the level 2. Shows the bids and the asks. Left side is the bid. Right side is the ask. And it shows the supply and demand, the signals for direction. Like this stock right here. Check this out. The Heinz trade play that we did today in the room on GTXI. So at 9:31 this morning, the stock's approaching, and we did it earlier a little cheaper through the 350, but here's the main buy was at 9:31, and that's what the level 2 looked like. And I knew if it went through 4, the bars would just be tremendous on the upside. Just tremendous on the upside with the bars. So this is where we bought it at 393, and then it was right here at 445. And I knew the stock has getting some momentum going into 1 million shares on the open. And then we traded it here, got flat and retraded it through $5 for another, just right at the high at 497. And bam, there it goes to 529 right here, the Heinz on GTXI. And this is where people like were shorting the stock. Other rooms that I was watching. So if anybody shorted the stock, let's say right here at the $4.50 or $5 and says, you know, this is my short, it's going to go lower and I know it, well, you're following the wrong people. You're at 529, what are you going to do? What are you going to do at 549? You're still short on 3.5 million. You're about to get auto closed at going through at $6. Now it's 592. You're completely upside down, $1 away from your thinking as a shorter, and the stock goes right here. Are you going to buy it back? Are you going to go lower from 590? And there's 590 right there. And then kabam, 605. What are you going to do now? Mojo's long all the way back, folks. Look. From 3. This is the pick we did in the room today. I picked a big winner. Stock went to 589, then we traded it again right here through 6, and it ripped. And this is what the other room did. I got their email. Hey, fellow trader, I made 661 buying XBit. No, you didn't, because XBit was a piece of crap this morning. And if you did, here's what happened. I just entered a new trade and shorted GTXI at 533. Half of my account is in the position. I'm confident in the setup. I'm expecting to close very weak, most likely in the 480s. It's a potential swing trade. My price target by the end of the week is a crash to 442. Well, if you have half of your account in it right now, you're down tremendous, and that's if the stock goes tomorrow and it goes to 12, you'll owe your firm money and you'll be negative in your account. And one trade like that, doesn't matter how many good trades you do, could really burn your bagoomas in that sucker. That's what that thing does. That's what that does. So, I mean, guys, shorting's a dangerous thing. Absolutely. So, that was what we did on GTXI today. We traded it long while other people were shorting it, and I was aware of the shorts, and I knew their auto closes were going to come, and it surely did. And I know when the auto close comes, I know when you get stopped, I know when it all comes in there. We traded some great stocks today. Yeah, I teach folks not to short, correct. Yeah, there's guys that have lost, you know, the guys that have made $1 million, oh, I make $1 million and I'm the biggest from the pump and dumps. Well, they've already also taken hundreds of thousands of dollar losses several times. You know, if a guy makes 300 trades that you're following him and they're all small gains and it adds up to a nice profit, but he's got 3 or 4 big losses and you're in one of them losses, you're not going to be in any of the other stocks. Just like in a day trade room. I used to be in this one. They used to give out all these picks. The day the picks started out good, and I rocked on 1 or 2 of them, I actually made money that day. I was in a room for a month when I first started. And I'd make money that day. Out of the 20 days, I lost 18. I won 2. The 2 days I won, they started off good in the morning, and I won like on 2 or 3 trades in a row, and I had enough profit that I didn't give it back. The other 18 days, I won, I lost, I won, I lost, and as soon as I got in the stock that I lost, they kept on trading and continuing. I didn't have the wherewithal to do that, and I was sitting in the losing stock while the day went on, and at the end of the day, I was still in the losing stock. They were out of it, and they were all making profit, and I never did. Terrible system. So I needed a better system. Yeah, Bruce Wayne did some good. Yeah, Mr. Wayne's back over $1,000 a day. Those Heinz trades on the UV we've been hitting got a little more. Too bad you don't got that leverage, man. You know UVXY is no margin on it, guys. Interactive Brokers, all the firms, they don't give you no margin. It's 1-to-1. You want to buy 1,000 UV, it's 11 G's. You want to buy 1,000 UV at the firm where you put up $1,000, they give you 10-to-1 leverage. Bypass the PDT. I see these guys writing articles. Yeah, you can do 3 trades a week and go with Interactive Brokers and you can grow your account, or you can go with a prop firm, trade your nuts off for $500 a day on 3 or 4 good trades a day rather than a week. And just like everybody says, it compounds up. It compounds up. You made 748 on GTIX today? Beautiful. What do I think it's going to do tomorrow? I have no idea. I'll tell you right now, they'll see if it closed Marabuzu. Yeah, it closed Marabuzu. It's going up big time tomorrow. It's going to be a beautiful stock to trade. What you get it at? You get it at my price? I got it at 350. What you get it at? We sold it at 6.30. What you get it? I have timestamp proof of that. By the way, you want to see my timestamp proof? I could show it to you. You know what's the best? There's like, everybody's doing the shows now. I've done 1,000 shows. I have done the most shows live on YouTube. Everybody does them now. But you know what? I was watching a couple of them again. Now they do the pre-market like I do, and they shut it off right at 9:29. I'm like waiting for them to go live and show what they do, and they shut it off. I'm like, oh shit, dude, come on, trade live. Nobody wants to see my timestamps? When I bought that stock exactly, when I sold that stock exactly on GTXI. Yeah, Twitch, the gamers do. Let me show you gamers. Ooh, look, guys all in right here. Ooh. You want to see a nice Heinz trade? Look, end of the day. Right here, look, $5.99. See the high? Boom, 610. Mama, 620. Dude, we had a sick day. That was a Heinz right there. Want to see this? Check this out. You got it at 433. Oh, dude, you need to be trading with me. Look where you would have got it. Digital. Look. That's a new avatar for one of the traders. Superman. Nice, right? Let me show you this. Here's 4-day win streak for Trader Klopp. Thank you right there, guy. He's going to go on a 400-day win streak. These were the demos made 650, 533. These were all my demo traders, and then they cranked it up to $1,000. The guy went from 650, and the other guy, and he went to 1,000. Where'd they go? Look, here's Trader Mara. She says, "Have a good day, and thank you for being tough on me at first. I didn't like it. Now I understand it." See that? Now digital expansion. See who you would have made more money with, yourself or me. Here's the story. Let's show you where I bought it. We'll go to the beginning of the day, time-stamped, okay? At the open. Me and you are hanging out together and trading for the first time. I like it. We haven't traded before, right, digital expansion? Look, there's my Mojo spinner. We haven't traded before, right, digital? You haven't traded with me, right? There's my Mojo spinner. So it's 8:44 in the morning. I just showed everyone my Mojo spinner. They all think it's cool. You think it's cool, digital? You make your first 10,000, you get a you can buy one of those for yourself. Not on 1,300 shares from 430 to 464 though. Let me show you what you would have made with Mojo. There's an avatar of one of my new guys. Look. How cool is that? He's a photographer. See that avatar you have, digital, where your thing goes up and down? I could make yours move like that too, and you could be in my room with a sick, dope avatar like that. Where your green line goes up, then your red line goes down, and it flashes. I make those for all my traders. My creative department. Nice, right? So check this out. See, he's already got it in there. Look, and it blinks. The avatar, see his avatar? It does move. It blinks. These are live. So let me show you this. I saw the float right here, homie, at 9:03. Well, here's my research, killer. Look, 9:03 a.m., float right here. There's my research. You saw it? Boom, done. Check it out. Look. Good morning, Tiger. Able. This was the first stock we bought. Write it down. Buy 1,000 shares of Able with me, okay? At $1.20 and less. You're in. Done. We got the Able, okay? Me and you together. You saw it. We're in it. You saw it. Dude, we're in it. You saw it. Come on now. Me and you. 1,000 Able. ABIL. Here we go. I'm writing it down. We're in at $1.20. We'll pay up. And then GTXI, buy 1,000 with me right here up in the 350 and below, okay? Just put 1,000 of GTXI with me at 350, homie. I told you to buy it right there. You just listen to whatever I tell you. Done, okay? You're in. It's only traded 30,000. Can you believe I saw it and bought it when it had 30,000 shares? Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, look. DCTH, we took a profit at 8 cents. We bought it at 2. So you had 10,000 shares of that. Just coming in the morning, I made you a couple hundred on DCTH. We owned it at 2. Look, DCTH, here's my buy at 2 cents. It closed Marubozu just like GTXI, see? At 6, Marubozu, we went long there again. Here's 4 cents right here, and here's my original pick on 6.5 at 2 cents, right here on the first green bar. Coming up beautiful. You shorted Able, you're out of your mind. Good luck with you. Let me show you what I did with Able. So and I looked at TROV, but I didn't do it. It went under $1, and I missed it on the way back up. So here, everyone says good morning. OPTT, we didn't make and do anything with. And then right here, we are in GTX at 393. So add another 1,000 homes of GTXI right here and pay up 395. I want you to add another 1,000 GTXI at $4. It hasn't gotten there yet, but when it does, yeah, that's good for you. I bet you have a lot of small profits, and then you have one big loss and it takes them away. That small gain, big loss kind of scenario. Shorters do that. So let me continue to show you what happened. At 393 and 395, you're still long with myself. Able, we're in right now. GTXI filled for the buy right here. I showed it to you. Absolutely. 5,000 shares is what I'm long. So I got 3,000, 4,000, and now I bought right here. This for me is 3. So I have 5,000 shares. I printed it for everyone in the room. It hasn't even moved yet. Hasn't even moved yet. You may have taken a profit, but I didn't. And Able is starting to move now at 129. Able sold right there at 141, buddy. So I made 20 cents on Able. So I made 20 cents or $200. That's cash in the bank. Now, we sold right here GTXI a little bit at 404 and 409. So out of the 5,000 shares, sold 2,000 of them right there at 405 average. Now let's continue. This guy, he's up 531 on GTXI through Hines. We're going through UV through Hines. It just Hines right there at 1102, 1107, kabam, 1110. Just made another great money. Nice Monday, awesome pick. Just made 150. And here, the 650 on all the demos. Then with Dontavius, beautiful. And here's OPTT, nothing's happening on that. Then right here, we're cruising down. It's only 9:45. Done for the day in 15 minutes. Look at this move. Ready? Boom. Dry ships from 195, 198, sold it at $2 right here. GTXI, 445. We're still in it right here. It's 445. Got 3,000 shares left. Watch. Boom. 445. Now it makes a move. It goes 455, 460. Dry ships sold at 2. Show me the money. 155, 306, 488, 509, 110, 445, 1992, 213, 239, 252, 100, 587 on DCTH overnight, 56 on UV. Went over everyone's trades that they screwed up today and on the demo and showed them what they did wrong. I coached. Then we continued with the trading. Kicked off an amazing day. XBit through Hines right here. 2,000 shares. 498 average on XBit. XBIT. Done. Wow, XBit just ripped right here to 522. Just made another $300 on XBit right there in a matter of 10:05:32 to 10:05:47, which is in 15/10 of a second. You just made money, and we'll move to the next trade. That was like a poof poof clip. Ching. Done. And then right here, XBit 542, you're flat right there on the move in 1 second. The stock went in 1 second, up 42 cents. Amazing. Then it halted trading. It was unbelievable. He said the wow trade play. I mean, look at my excitement. This is in a half hour digital expansion. So now we're still in 3,000 shares of GTXI. And here it goes. Look, XBit flat 559, bro. Look, that's my last sell, sold. So I made $500 on XBit. Beautiful. Then champions. Amazing. Here we go again. You ready? GTX, new high 470. GTX 475. GTX, new guy from Michigan comes in. UV 1094 through Heinz 11. Boom, did that one. Then it's 1119. Amazing. It's amazing. Then we did it again. 1099. Sold 11. 1091. Sold at 1101. Winner after winner. Made 1,500 on that trade alone right there. Then we did it again. 1090. Sold it through 11. Great pick, great pick, great pick, great pick, great pick, great pick, great pick. There it is, 97, 99, 1104, sold the wow trade play. Making money left and right in the mojo room. Klopp, 4-day win streak. Moving on, there's my PCYO at 840, the water pick. There's UV, 1107. Now we're in a GTXI, going to go right here through $5. Moving. So $5, I'm adding back 5,000 GTX. So I have 5,000 shares now. Going through this. GTX sold 508. I'm up to like $2,000 in profits on the GTX so far. And then Superman. Boom. GTX, we're in it again. That's 650. Demo goes to 1150. The 400 goes to 750. Everyone doubles all the money they make in the demos. The rewards of a great coach. Then the guy comes in and he likes Ford Mustangs. This is his new avatar. He loves it. Continuing. Look, he loves it. So he sets up his Ford. That's his Ford. That's another Ford. And another Mustang. We like Mustangs. This guy, Arnie, second day in the room, 1,529 digital expansion. Look, second day, profit so far, UVXY 600, DCTH 587. This is the guy that started at $587 and $58. He made $500 with me trading UV since his last update. There's my black Mustang right there. That's my Mustang. That's his Mustang. It's his 88 LX. I like it. And here's GTX right there at $529. Now I'm up to $3,000, Mr. Digital Expansion. And now GTXI, I'm up to $3,500, Mr. Digital. And at $550, it rips, goes $560, $570, $580, $590, all the way up. Look, lemon squeeze right here. Check out this. I'll teach you. Here's my lemon squeeze play. See the ask, 270,000 shares, squeezed, 1335. It's my lemon squeeze. I teach that in the mojo room. My lemon squeeze. And then right there, ooh, look at the spinners that are coming for mojo. See, these are the mojo spinners, guys. Look, mojo. See? This is what you get. You're in a trade. I give these out as prizes in the room. Here's a gold mojo spinner coming. We got some nice ones. Here's another one. Here's GTXI at 580, right at the new high. I'm going to add back at 590. Here it goes, adding GTX. Here's the guy shorting it, losing all his money right there. The other, got my competitor that I'm watching. He's shorting it. thinking it's going to close here, and he's crushed. And there it goes, 589, 590, 609. I'm done for the day with $4,500 on that stock, $500 on that stock, and that's how you make $5,000 in one day with not that much buying power used, being accurate as crap, and being completely transparent, timestamp after timestamp. We rebought it back there, sold 609, sold 610 right here. Look, rebought it back, sold 609, sold 619. That's how it's done. Shaka laka. That's how it's done. That's a recap of my day. You want to come and join the room? I give you a free membership for a month. It'll cost you zip. You want that digital? Zip. It costs $99 a month to be a member of the room. $99. Do you see the value of reading the level 2? Amazing, right? Insane. All I do is the level 2. I don't do anything off charts. Anything. If you go to my website and you go to subscribe, it's $99. Here's what I want you to do. I'm going to put it up here. The link just in YouTube. You're going to get my video in Mojo University right here. Check it out. Here's the courses. My live class is $26.97. The advanced bundle $16. The courses are individual. Understanding level 2 is $49. See it? It's showing you the level 2. I give you that for free. So pay 50% off for $49, not $99. It's a special. 50% off. I give you that video. And you pick one video in Mojo University, and I'll give you one extra one as a bonus. I'll show you what you can pick from. You can pick from the following. You can pick from anything but the school. You can pick from understanding the stock market, basic investment strategies, building your portfolio, understanding taxes, my special situation report, $99. The school you can't have. It's too intense, $497. These are all $49. You can have any one of them you want. I'll throw in one of these. Understanding mutual funds, advanced trading techniques, or advanced trading strategies. Like this, advanced trading strategies, if you want to preview, look, the importance of a routine. Look, here's a great video. I show you the importance of a routine right here. So you watch the video. Time is fire, which people write stupid stuff. Time. People want to teach, but people don't want to learn. So having a daily routine is important. It provides structure, builds good habits, increases efficiency, and there's a nice video here on the importance of a routine. And that's what you'll learn. Here's another preview, bonus video, how to set your daily routine. Right here, another bonus video. And then the rest of it is $49. All the rest. Look, all these, you can, irrationality. Are these lines parallel? No. More illusions. Really great. I put all this together, guys. What to consider. Right here. Knowledge, emotion, timing, the advantages of all this, guys. You got it. These are great little courses. Advanced trading strategy. Enroll for $40. I'll give you one of these. You let me know which one you want after you will sign up. It's a Discord server. So I'll give you the link. As soon as you sign up, I'll send you a welcome email with a video that you'll watch that explains exactly how to get into the room. Exactly. It's like Skype. You sign up with your email. They send you an email. You download the Discord app. You pick you make your username Trader Digital Expansion, Trader space Digital Expansion, which you'll sit in my room as Trader Digital Expansion, and you'll be set to go, bro. We'll trade every day for a month. I'll set you up on the TradeX demo. Do you have over 25,000 or under 25,000? What do you got? Are you above or below? What do you got? Check some of these emails. I get you set up on the demo, TradeX, 10-to-1 leverage. Start with a couple thousand shares. I was able to change my name in the room. I left like in a template, I left the guy's name in there, so she came in as her name, and it's funny. I gotta change access. When you come into the using Short Trader, cool. They're robbing you on commissions, aren't they? Robbing you, huh? How much they charge in commish? How much they charge you? $4.95 a trade? Is that what you get charging? $4.95 a ticket, Holmesy? 1,000 shares, one time, $4.95, sell it, cost you $10. That's how you trade. That's why you have to, you can't scale in and out. They got you handcuffed. You want to see how I do it? 100 shares, or I even go like this, 500, 500, 1,500. That costs 0.003. So it costs $6 to do those 3 trades, and then selling it the same way. But I've bought it 3 times and sold it 3 times and got an extra a lot of money, bigger than you. Do that every day, 3 times a day, 5,000 times a year, adds up, homie. Oh, my competition just went live. How come they don't trade live, though? They never trade live. He's going over GTXI too. And XBit, the same stocks as me. And he threw in Facebook and QQQ, but he doesn't trade those. It's funny. What broker? Well, I'm at $3.95 with Short Trader, not $4. So I could save $1 just with Short Trader with the Mojo Group. Can you believe that? Just with them, I'm $1 cheaper than you with the Mojo Group. But I have another group for $2.50. $2.50. And then I have another group for 0.025 on a per share basis. So it comes to $2.50 when you scale in 100 shares, 100 shares, 100 shares, 700 shares. That just cost me $2.50. Yep. If I went like this, 100, 100, 100. If I went like this, 100, 100, 100, 100, and 100, because it went down, and I clipped it, clipped it, clipped it. Then on the first green bar, I nailed it up like that. That trade would cost me $2.50. You know how much it would cost you? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 on the way in, and 35. It cost me $2.50. What a big disadvantage you're at. And my leverage is 10 to 1. International guys are 15 to 1. When you trade good with the firm, woo, they love you. They give you more. It's amazing. It is amazing, folks. I tried to attend your class by clicking on your website and asked me to pay. What? No. Not sure what you're talking about. If you can show me the page and what you're looking to accomplish, I can help. Nice. I'm gonna help load up someone in with their Mojo University courses. One of my students wants to watch, and they just got loaded up into Mojo University. This is Mojo University, folks, right here. mojouniversity.teachable.com. You enroll in the school right here, and you have all your courses. All of them are right here. Take it, baby. It's the best. It's the best. Let me set up one of my students with some of the material. Gotta enroll. The people don't read the welcome email. They sign up for the course, and they don't read the welcome email. And then that, so then they say, hey, how come I didn't get none of the courses? Well, you didn't read the welcome email that I sent after you signed up that says here's the link to get in for the courses and the instructions to do everything. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step... You have a problem. Let's see. My competition just went live. Let's see what he's doing. He is watching. We're talking about the XBit and freaking, but they love their shorters probably, man. So most of them are shorters. There's no system in shorting. Yeah, he's going over the GTXI. You don't look too happy. You don't look too happy. I'm happy. I wasn't short. Yeah. I wasn't short. Oh, yeah. Yup. No, that's correct. See the stock mobile? I used to have that. Mobile iron. Look, weekly. Stock is involved with security. You want to see my pick on mobile iron? Ken Slim. Show you. Right here. 296, stock's up 100%. This was on 5/27 of 2016, 1 year ago today. The stock was based down here at 296. It had a new CEO. There's the N. It had a nice float and nice institutions. There's the S and the L. Here's the 4 quarters, positive and 38 million, positive, positive, and positives. So you have the C and the A, you have the N, the S, the L, the I, institutional sponsorship, and they have some insider buying right here, right under Heinz, $3. Average volume, 236 at 230, looking for volume to come in, and the stock right now is at 6. Mobile Iron. You want to see the second time I picked it? Right here at 498. Right here, it was in this box right here, came down to the bottom of this 588, the 590, the 592. It had a 4 quad bottom, so there was very low risk, very high reward to go test the top of 968 with 4 really good solid quarters. Did an IPO at 9. Here's my analysis on it right here. Increased earnings estimates for 2 years, and the stock went from 498 and it rocketed it up huge, folks, from that one as well. That was my second pick. That one was on right here, 8/7 of 2015. That was a year earlier than that one. So this is the first time I did it at 5 and I rocked it. And then I did it again right here at 296 and I rocked it. Yup. Here's my ad on mobile, 361. Added on 929, 291, and here's my profit, 309. Pretty cool. I keep track of everything, folks. Any other stocks you want to see? You just registered on my website for what? Yeah, for my webinar. Nice. It's Wednesday night. You want to get the best deal, you'll come there, that's for sure. I'll teach you. I'll empower you with some good info. Here it is. Just signed up on my website. Check it out. And right here, guys, you see up top my weird niche trade play that's currently making my weird niche trade play. He just signed up for that right here. You click and sign up for the... And right here, guys, you see up top webinar. My weird niche trade play that's currently making $250,000 per year. Click go. Come right here to the register page. Click register my spot. We're doing it in 2 days on Wednesday at 1 p.m. This would be for the guys that are international. That my 8 p.m. one I did last night. I got a lot of people that couldn't attend because of the time zone difference. Some people in Israel, that's at 7 hours difference. So I've made it accommodatable for you now to attend, and I'll be there showing you live how my weird niche trade plays making. Yeah. So what else is up there today? That's it. I only had to hit that one. I hit the 2 this morning. It was on the... All you have to do is watch the Mojo website. It goes right up on the watch list. Here's my Mojo website. All you have to do is come to this page at 9 a.m. and at lunchtime, and you'll hit the biggest winners of the day every day. Right here. Able was number 1 at $1.20 and GTXI at $3.40. You made a high scalp of $2.84. UV made 55 cents. Yeah, huge. I have an advanced charting system right here. Check it out. Once the stocks go up, you can like put them in. Here's an advanced chart, and you can pop this thing out too. Right here, and you can blow it up. Really cool. It shows you the news on it right here, and you can do a lot of cool charting. You can put some lines in right there like that. That. You can do another line. This. Solid in here. That. So you got a little for the move back of every little downside, a lot of upside. That's how I do it. You could see it right here. You could see it. This is a pen? No, this is the line color. Nice. Look, long position right here. So if you're long, let's say we go long right here at 340. Look, it shows you right here, and you can increase your stop, put your stop up. So our stop is right here. And we went long. Bring this down. See this one? So bring this up. Bring this down. So there's your stop zone. And here's your profit zone right to the top of that. So that would give you a good indication right there on this chart. That's the zone of profitability for you on a trade. I like this. Really cool. And then you have brush. That was a nice move right there. Triangle up, triangle down. Look how it follows the lines. How amazing is this chart, guys? Look at this. I'm not making these wiggle lines. I'm just moving it, and it's making it for me. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Triangle. Let's see this. Nice. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. And you just have to click on it and delete everything. That's pretty cool. Nice. That's the charts on my site. And go to my Twitter. Let me show you the difference between myself and a lot of the other guys that are out there on the Twitter. I have 35,000 followers. I've been doing this for 5 years. I could have, if I want to, I could have 356,000, because you can buy, everybody sends you in the messages, buy 10,000 followers for $5. And a lot of people did that in the beginning because they wanted to show that they had a lot of followers to say, look, I have a large room and I have a lot of this and that. But they have 100,000 followers, and when you look at their messages and their daily tweets, it's on an autoresponder. They don't get any likes. See? Right down here. This is where you get a retweet and a like. See, 2 and 1, 3 and 1. That's where you get 3. See, 4. See mine? 23 and 9. Just going for the high of the day. I just did this one the other day. See, these are real deals. People like my tweet. Look at that. Oh, Mike nails the high of the day. Look, go for it. We'll do it together. Champions. Yeah, homie. Because I got real followers. So beginner trading class, free educational webinars on Wednesday. This is not 2 p.m. Who wrote 2 p.m.? Gotta delete that. I'm so glad I saw that. Delete that tweet. We don't want that tweet up there like that. Watch this guy do it. Look at this guy doing some dives. This one. That's pretty cool. I got sabotaged. I got sabotaged. Look, the market's going to get what they got coming for them. They got what's coming for them. Here's my GTX trade. Look, this morning, guys, 12 hours ago, 9:04 a.m., 346, $5.58 on XBit right there, huge trade, and there it goes, 346 to $6. Sold big time. Another one. Check out my room, what it does. See if I can do it. Another one. I got this command for the room. Let me show you. And another one. That wasn't a good one. Phew, that was a good one. John Cena comes in the house too. Oh, too many. I'm flooding it. I can't. Gotta wait. That's it. So give my things a like if you like that high of the day, folks. Then go register for my webinar. Champions, boys. All right, let me check out some more emails and look at some more stocks. Nice. Look at this guy that just registered. Japashan Bakshurani. Can't even pronounce his name. Justin just joined. Nice. George joined. George, what's digital expansion do, bro? Funny. I just got an email. That's funny. I'm in Live House in Japan. I went live. You want to see what I'm look like in Japan? Look, this is what I'm when I go live in Japan. Look on Live House. See, everything's in Japanese. Ah, yeah, Mike is in Japan. He's doing well in Japan. Beautiful. Guys, why if people are signing up for the webinar and you have no money to trade, what are you signing up for? People put 0. Oh, I gotta change something on this. Cool. Cool, folks. I'm doing good on Stockhoot, man, with my PCYO. I'm on Stockhoot right here. PCYO, I'm up 11,000 right here on that. And I got 75,000 to put in. Yeah, I wonder if you can do, oh, you can do that. I wonder if you can do MGNA. Nah. What about, let's see what's hot for tomorrow. I don't like nothing up there. Dry ships maybe make a big move coming up here right soon. Another big squeeze. It's slowly dwindling down in the volume. Gonna make a big spike up like this. Maybe I put it into dry ships. Let's do that for tomorrow. So I go dry ships, DRYS. We'll put at $1.86. 75 grand to use. Let's use half of it. 75 divided by 2 is 37. Divided by $1.80. 20,000 shares. Target price $3. Stop loss, what is it, 185? 170. Heinz action. Price, where is it, 189? Lows 180. Yep. 170. We go Heinz $2 and hold. That's what we'll do. I'll add at 199. Add another 35K, another 20,000. See that? Boom. Pick a time horizon. 2 months. Done. Current price is under 2 and is a penny stock. We don't allow this. Ugh. Jeez, are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Let's see what I got on my swing picks. Are you kidding me? They don't allow that shit. Can you believe that? Anybody got something to say on Twitter? Anybody? No? Can you believe that? Oh, cool. Look, this person said, I loved your webinar last night. I'll definitely be joining the Mojo Day Trade Room start next week in learning. In the power of the Mojo. Gotta like that. Send a picture of the Mojo. I just wrote that on my Twitter. That was nice, right? Let's see what I can pick for the Moj. I got a lot of cool Mojo. Mojo. Mojo rising. I like that one. The fun starts here at Mojo. I posted a good one on Twitter. So what stock can I pick? How about we wait till tomorrow and we'll see what's hot and I'll pick that one. Put 75 G's into it. Show you how much it'll make tomorrow. Buy it in the beginning of the day and I'll sell her at the end of the day. That's what I'll do. I get so many emails a day, it's crazy. No, there's no replay of the webinar. Wednesday. At 1 p.m. you can come now. Link. Done. Another one. I'm going to spell it another with an A. Got it. That's going to be like a dictionary term. They're going to eventually lose the R on another. trying to correct another. I'm like, nope. So many emails, man. Oh, Vicky. Vicky's coming to my webinar, but Vicky's got no money either. I think I'm gonna have to change that. Everyone's got no money. How the hell are you gonna go? Looks, I'm holding some for the casino, and well, yeah, but I got no money to gamble. So what do you want to go for information on the casino for? It's crazy. I gotta change that. Let me see if I could do that. Question. It's going to be unique capital to trade with. You can start a day trading account with blank. I have 2,000 to 5,000. That's a better. Oh, I should have saved that. I hate when you do something you don't save it, right? Very interesting. Very interesting.